Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Zoho CRM live chat to create contacts. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To update Zoho CRM live chat for creating contacts, start by logging into your Zoho CRM account. Navigate to the settings by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner of the dashboard. In the settings menu, look for the sales section and select live chat. Once you're in the live chat settings, locate the integration tab. Under the integration tab, select the option for Zoho CRM. Now, you will see various settings related to contact creation. Ensure that the option to create new contacts from live chat interactions is enabled. If not, toggle the switch to turn it on. Next, you may want to customize the fields that will be collected during the chat. Select the Customize Fields option to choose which details are necessary for new contacts. You can include fields like name, email, phone number, and any other relevant information. After customizing the fields, save your changes. Now, to link your live chat with the appropriate module in Zoho CRM, navigate to the routing section. Here, you can configure how chat requests are directed based on potential customer queries. Set priorities based on the types of inquiries you anticipate receiving. Return to the live chat window settings and make sure your chat widget is properly configured. Copy the provided code snippet and add it to your website where the live chat will appear. Make sure to test the live chat function to ensure it collects the information correctly. Initiate a chat as a test user and fill in the required fields. Once the chat ends, check Zoho CRM to see if the new contact has been created successfully. If you encounter any issues, revisit the settings to ensure everything is configured properly. By following these steps, you will have successfully updated your Zoho CRM live chat functionality to create contacts with ease. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.